Now back at that time, if you had to serve or a something like that, then you also had some carbonated water, you would then have a glass of Coca-Cola. And in fact, the exact ratio to make a glass of Coca-Cola was in fact 5 ounces of carbonated water and 1 ounce of Coca-Cola syrup. And in fact, it's that same 5-to-1 ratio to this very day. That's never changed. But once you have your glass of Coca-Cola, does anyone know how much you would have made a purchase for it? Does anyone know the original price for Coca-Cola? Or yes? Yes, it was in fact 5 cents. And for anyone that didn't know that, it actually says it. Now, part of the reason why it says it on that bell over there is because it remained that price for about 70 years. The price of Coca-Cola did not change for about 70 years until it jumped up to an unbelievable and impossible and unfathomable 6 cents. Yes, Coca-Cola went from 5 to 6 cents. And people were very upset with that. People literally tried to sue Coca-Cola for going up by 1 cent. But you know now today the price has gone up a bit more to now make a retail price of $1.99. Yes, I do know you can find for more other places, but the retail price is now $1.99 for Coca-Cola. Now there's another item here I like to draw your attention to, and it's right over here. This giant bottle cap opener right over there. Now, for those of you that are from Atlanta, you might already know where that bottle cap opener was, but where it was in this room. Or for those of you that don't know, back in the year 2000, that bottle cap opener hung over I-85 right here in Atlanta, Georgia. And it stayed there for a couple of years until in 2007 they moved it into this very room. But when they moved it in this room, they in fact had to cut it in half. The entire thing just wouldn't fit in this room. Now there's another item here. I'll let you draw your attention to, and it's right over here. These pants are right over here.